guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a healing pad. So I'll show you really quick. So we have the zombie and he's going to hurt us. And so then we can go and we can run on this healing pad and it heals us. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to insert a part. And you're going to want to make sure it's anchored. And then I'm going to scale it so it's decent size. It's not huge and it's not small. Then I'm going to change the color to it to like a lime green because that like indicates healing. Red is hurt, like damage. Green is healing. And then we're just going to insert a script. I'm actually just going to call this healing pad. And then I'm going to call this healing script. Okay. And then what we're going to want to do is make a function, and then we're going to do untouched, and then we're going to do parameter of hit, and then we're going to do if hit dot parent, and then colon find first child is a humanoid, which means it's it's like a Roblox player and not like an NPC. Otherwise the zombie could get healed if you're like hurting him. And then h dot health, or we need to do local health equals hit dot parent, and then colon find first child, and then humanoid again, humanoid. Okay, and then we're gonna do h dot health. You need to make sure it's capitalized, otherwise it won't work. Equals h dot health plus 10. So this is going to be adding 10 HP. Okay, and then I forgot the then there. And then we can just get rid of that and place it down here. Okay, and then we're going to do a wait 1 second, or however long you want it to wait. And I actually have to change this to an H just to match up with these two. You can change it to whatever you want because it's a variable. And then we just have to make sure that when they step on it, that it fires. Okay, and then now if we go in here, we can play test it. And then, yeah, I guess there's really no way for us to know. So let's go add in a zombie really quick. Okay, so the zombie's here. He sees us, he hits us, and we go on here and we get healed. So, yep, that's how you do that. If you did like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.